How to store onion paste in the fridge, stay fresh for weeks. To store onion paste in the fridge, place it in a small, airtight container or ice cube trays for smaller portions, and keep it in the coldest part of the fridge for up to a week. Using clean spoons and avoiding air exposure to prevent spoilage, adding a pinch of turmeric or a drizzle of oil can help preserve color and freshness. For longer storage, freeze portions in ice cube trays, then transfer to freezer bags. Refrigerator storage, 3 to 7 days, airtight container. Transfer the paste into small, clean glass jars or airtight containers. Minimize air. Don't use one large container for long-term, use smaller ones you can finish quickly, or always use a clean, dry spoon to take portions out. Add oil, turmeric. A drizzle of oil or a pinch of turmeric powder can help prevent discoloration and spoilage, say eat East Indian and 365 spicery. Keep it cold. Store in the coldest part of the fridge and seal tightly after each use. Freezer storage, longer term, ice cube trays. Spoon portions, e.g., 1/4 cup, into ice cube trays. Add oil, optional, a little olive oil per cube can help. Freeze and store. Freeze until solid, then pop the cubes out and store them in a freezer-safe zip-top bag, labeled with the date. Use frozen cubes. Add directly to hot dishes like curries, soups, or stews.